Welcome back to Mega Auto World, where we bring you the latest, the fastest, and the most exciting machines from around the globe. Today, we're diving into the heart-pounding world of American muscle with the 2025 Ford Mustang, a car that continues to prove why the Mustang name is legendary. The 2025 Mustang stays true to its heritage but pushes performance and technology even further. The moment you see it, the aggressive front fascia, sharper LED headlamps, and sculpted hood lines tell you that this machine means business. Ford hasn't tried to reinvent the icon. They've refined it, tightened it, and made it more athletic than ever before. The stance is lower, the body is wider, and every curve is designed to improve aerodynamics and track stability. Under the hood, Ford continues to offer a lineup that keeps muscle car fans happy. The star of the show is the 5.0-liter Coyote V8, now tuned for even better throttle response and improved torque delivery. Whether you're cruising the highway or launching off the line, this engine gives you that deep, unmistakable Mustang growl. For those looking for efficiency with a punch, the EcoBoost Turbo 4 is still available, delivering impressive fuel economy without sacrificing excitement. Paired with either the 10-speed automatic or the crisp 6-speed manual, the 2025 Mustang gives drivers full control over how they want to experience the road. Inside, Ford has transformed the cabin into a modern, driver-focused cockpit. The dual-screen setup, featuring a fully digital instrument cluster and a large central infotainment display, creates a futuristic feel without losing the Mustang's classic spirit. The graphics are smooth, the menus are intuitive, and the new sync software runs quicker than ever. Ambient lighting, premium materials, and improved seating comfort make this Mustang not just powerful, but genuinely enjoyable to live with day to day. But what really stands out in the 2025 model is the driving dynamics. Ford has fine-tuned the suspension, improved chassis rigidity, and enhanced steering feedback. The result is a Mustang that feels more planted, more responsive, and more confident at high speeds. Whether you're carving corners or hitting the drag strip, the 2025 Mustang delivers an exhilarating experience. Optional performance packages add Brembo brakes, sport-tuned suspension, and sticky tires for those who crave maximum track performance. Safety and tech also get a significant upgrade. Ford's latest Copilot 360 suite adds adaptive cruise control, lane centering, traffic sign recognition, and an upgraded blind spot system. Even though this is a muscle car at heart, it's packed with features that make daily driving easier and safer. So, is the 2025 Ford Mustang worth the hype? Absolutely. It's bold, powerful, modern, and unmistakably Mustang. It brings the perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation, keeping the muscle car spirit alive while moving confidently into the future. Thanks for watching Mega Auto World. If you love cars as much as we do, make sure to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more amazing auto content, and I'll catch you in the next one.